Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Hello and welcome to VirtualStaff.ph, the go-to place for part-time and full-time remote jobs dito sa Pilipinas. Are you new to remote work or you're struggling to adjust to the virtual work environment? I'm Michael Burry, the CEO of VirtualStaff.ph, the website you've probably heard everybody talking about. I remember talking with people like Isabel Dawes, and she knew all about us. She never applied as a virtual assistant, but she knew who we were. I talked to her about it a few years back. Her mom, by the way, she was the Miss Universe in the 60s. Great performance. In today's video, we're going to be discussing remote work etiquette for Filipinos. We're going to share the do's and don'ts of professional behavior in a remote setting so you can excel in virtual work. Okay, so the do's of remote work etiquette. Do set clear expectations with your team and your manager. Do communicate regularly and proactively with your team. Do create a comfortable and professional work environment. Do be respectable for colleagues' time and boundaries. Do stay organized and meet your deadlines. Of course, do avoid distractions and things that might be happening in your house or in the coffee shop, whatever. Do use noise-cancelling headphones when communicating with your colleagues, manager, customers, or clients. Okay, so the don'ts of remote work etiquette. Don't get distracted by personal tasks during work hours. Don't neglect your appearance during video calls. Really important. Don't let technology problems affect your productivity. Be prepared. Don't be too casual in communication unless you're told to. Don't forget to take breaks and practice self-care. Those are the do's and don'ts of remote work etiquette for working from home dito sa Pilipinas or anywhere in the world for that matter. I know many of you now also like to live the remote work or the digital nomad lifestyle. I have so many friends in the Philippines here who are lawyers, accountants, and they all love working remotely now. It's a changing world. Remember, professional behavior is essential for the success of remote work. By following these tips, you can improve your communication, productivity, and teamwork. Thanks for watching. Salamat sa pananood. Please like this video and share it with your friends. And don't forget, by the way, to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information. Magsuklis poquita pronto. And of course, for my friends in Zamboanga, gracias por mirar esta video, compartir esta con tus amigos. And for my Bisaya friends, hangtud sa sunod. Apologies for my terrible accent. If you'd like to hire staff and build a team in the Philippines, then go to www.virtualstaff.ph, the Philippines outsourcing marketplace.